this beautiful video. Welcome to this beautiful video. Welcome to our channel. Welcome again, once again, to this beautiful. So, in this video, we're gonna be talking about something very special: how to create. We're gonna be talking about how to create a thumbnail, how to create attractive YouTube thumbnail. Now, this is very important. Let me tell you that the thumbnail is very important. Now, the thing is, most people are just attracted by what they see. Now, the thing is, if you do not have a description of what is inside your video, viewers are just going to find it very hard, like real, like seriously coming to your site and you know do a lot of work in your in your video, watch your video. So what you're gonna do is you can have a blank page. You can't have a blank thumbnail, very black and showing nothing. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how you can create for yourself a thumbnail for free. You create it by yourself for free, in Photoshop. If you do not have Photoshop, I ask you to go down at the description. I provided a link at the description. You can go down and download Photoshop. Okay, install Photoshop. You don't have to install Photoshop. Please tell me down in the description, and I'll surely do a video on how to install Photoshop and how to use Photoshop. But for this video, I'm not gonna look into that much. I'm just gonna show you a few things you need to know in Photoshop. So I really guess you'll be installed Photoshop. You have Photoshop already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump directly to Photoshop. I already have the Photoshop installed in my PC. I don't need to install it anymore. So I'm gonna jump into Photoshop direct, and now this is my Photoshop. This is how it appears. It's a window. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new file. Now I'm gonna create a new file. Now take consideration of a size. So what I'm gonna do here, it's very important that you take into account the size or a size of your document. It's gonna be a photo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a width of 1,280 and a height of 720, which is very important. It's very important. Then I'm gonna take a resolution of 300. You can take 72. It is okay. So, but for this case, for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna take a width of 1,280, and I'm gonna take a height of 720. So it's gonna be very good. So make sure you select the background. How do you want a background to look? Do you want it to look transparent? Do you want it to have a background color or what? So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna say I want it to be white. I really like white and use white. So what I'm gonna do is I can put a title if I don't mind. So I'm gonna create some. So this should create this. It should bring us this window. This should create a new document for us that we're gonna be working on. So it's very important. Once again, hit the subscription button. Please don't forget subscribe so that you get notified of these videos every time I upload a video. Please subscribe and share these videos. Leave a like and comment. Okay, it's very important. So what I'm gonna do here is we've been given this already. This is what we have. So this is how our thumbnail will look like if we don't have any information. So what I'm gonna do, I might lock this. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a sample thumbnail for one of the videos that I'll be uploading soon, and that is how to create a subdomain and subdomain redirecting it. Now, the most important thing here is you need to have images. Now, you need to have an image either of yourself or anything that you're gonna have, because this is gonna be a picture. If you're not going to do that, then you can design letters, or you can design a sentence, but a very good sentence. But I always prefer to have a text with an image. Now, an image can represent what is in a video exactly, like maybe an icon or what. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna design a thumbnail for one of my videos that is talking about subdomains and so on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the import the images that I already have. I'm gonna place images here. I already have images in my PC. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna to go to File, and I'm gonna move down to Place. So when I say Place, it will ask you. I'm gonna upload the files that I want to place here. So uh, one of the pictures that I really wanna place here is let me check out if this is where they're located. Okay, okay, no here, so they are located here. Let me pick this image. So they are here, nothing there, Infinity, certain folder called Infinity. So what I'm gonna do is okay, okay, so I'm gonna check in tutorials. Right, yeah, these are my this where my images are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to import. I'm going to get this images. I'm gonna get this image. I don't know which one exactly. Which one exactly. Okay, I have these two images. So let me first get this Hostinger. Yeah, I did the hosting with Hostinger. That's why I use them. Okay, so I have this. I have this. Okay, so you can resize this image the way you see. Now when you're placing this image, you need to place it well. Think of where to place it, and that's very important. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it right up this side, yeah, and then I'm gonna place another image. I'm gonna move to place and place another image. I have this other. I have okay. I'm gonna have already. I have this. Let me have get this out. Okay, yeah. This is very important. So what I'm gonna do is okay. I think I need to crop this image. Yeah, I need to crop out this image. Sorry, I'm gonna crop this very fast and get done with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this image. Yeah, I'm gonna open this image. It is we have it here already. So I'm gonna open this image. I wanna crop it out. It has something that I really don't want to have. I'm gonna crop it out very fast. So make sure your images are standard. Make sure all your images represent what you're gonna be doing. Okay, so it's very important to take that into consideration. Don't just upload an image that maybe have copyright or what. Sometimes we download it. We don't need to create all these images. So sometimes we just download images online and maybe they from shatter.com and maybe why. So you really have to work upon that and make sure all images are good. Yeah, you only have images that represent what you're doing at the particular point, so which is very important. So I'm gonna be cropping this image that is still loading. Okay, this image is still loading. I don't know why it's taking time, but it's okay. It's gonna bring it out fresh, but it's taking time. I don't like the way it's taking time and where it's showing nonsense. Okay. Okay, see my PC is just a little slow right now. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop this image. Okay, I'm gonna crop this image and I don't want copyrights. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna be cropping this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I just wanna crop this down. This is what I'm gonna be doing now. Okay, so this is what I wanna do. I will wave and now I have the image to use. Okay, I just wanted to use this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save that copy. Okay, so I'm gonna save that copy and I'm gonna save. Yeah, I'm gonna save it in Python tutorials. Okay, now I'm gonna save it in and go down and check it in now. Okay. I'm gonna save it where the other one is. So I need to cherish. Okay. Just save it as DDD, which is very fine. So we're done with this. We already cropped this image, which is very fine. So we're good to go. So what I wanna do is uh, I'm going back. I'm going back to Photoshop. Oh, sorry, my PC has been running for a while and it's really freezing, but nevertheless, it's gonna work out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going back to Photoshop and I'm going back to place. Now I have to place our image, the image that we've just got through now. So I save it as DDDD, and I go, okay, see it here. So this is the image that I really want to work. I want to work with this image. So okay, so it's placing. Okay, so okay. See what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it here, right here. Okay, I'm gonna press it up, size it, and okay. I'm gonna resize it, and then yeah, I think this good. This good. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna press it and then click this arrow right here, and I say place. So we're gonna place it. So you see how it looks. This literally looks very good. It really literally looks very good. It already looks very good. Trust me, this is really very good. It looks very good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize this Hostinger. Maybe I have another photo of Hostinger, and then why I'm not using Hostinger is because I'm I'm hosting them. This one I want to be so exemplary. Let me place another image of hosting up, and I see what's gonna happen. Is I have this other image and see if this one is better, then I'll be using it. Okay. Yeah, this is very very good again, a very good image as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna resize it as well, and yeah, I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, if yeah, that is really very fine. This really gives us everything that we really need to work on. And then I'm gonna press this image as well. So yeah, I've already pressed it. See how good it is. So this is so attractive now. It really gives a description of what's gonna be in your videos. Okay. So what I'm gonna do thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize this side this. So just select it here and then Control T to select it, and then we're gonna do this. Okay. Okay, so I just want to resize it so that yeah, I'm gonna place it. So literally, this is what we have, and this is very beautiful. So the next thing we're gonna do is let's have writings. We're gonna have writings on this. Please, if you do not know how to use Photoshop, please let me know. Tell me at the description, and I'll personally see how we can help you out on how to use Photoshop. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna put writings here, and our writings are going to talk about what is inside our video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check on this, this icon, which is T, which is representing text. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna come back here. So we're gonna be writing. Okay, we're gonna have a text. So what I'm gonna do here is uh, okay. So what I'm gonna have here is we're gonna type. So I'm gonna say how. I should have it on top of all. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so how to create and redirect sub domain. Okay, so this is good. Now the fact is this is good. I really love it. So this is what we have. So you can play with more things that you really want to play with, but trust me, this is good. For now, this is really very good. It really gives us, it really talks about what we're gonna be doing. So this is very good once again. So you really have to play with many things, but for now, this is good. So how to create and redirect subdomain. So I think you can see. So this is literally what we this literally when I'm working on. So it's very important that you don't get lost because this is what we're gonna be working on. So I think you can see how simple it is and how catchy it is, and how good it's gonna look like, and we can work on specific colors, and yeah, we can work on specific colors, and make this more beautiful, things like that, catch colors that people can see them very well, which is very important. So the thing is, this one is real good. This is enough, like to give us a clear, to give us a clear image of what we're gonna be doing. So how do you think this? This is very important. So I'm gonna save this. And I'm gonna save it as a thumbnail, right? Okay, let me first save that so that I don't get issues after this. I'm gonna save this as, I'm gonna export this as, I'm gonna create this is okay, so this is under tutorials. Okay, I'm gonna create it as a JPEG file, okay, PNG file, thumbnail, okay. So I'm gonna save that, and then it's okay. It's gonna export. It's already saved. So one more thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save another one. Okay, also I'm gonna save it as a picture. By this time around, I'm gonna save it in adjustable format like JPEG. Okay, so I'm gonna save this as well, and yeah, uh, that's all. So this is exactly what you need to do to create a very nice thumbnail in Photoshop for free. Please subscribe to this channel. Let's give me an idea of doing more videos, but for now, subscribe to this channel and tell me from the description how good it is been, and make sure it's leave a like, comment, and go ahead and download Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, go ahead and download Photoshop. Thank you. Thank you.